welcome you all to the Marinesthing YouTube channel. So today we will discuss how to join Merchant Navy after 10th or as a GP. I am not promoting Merchant Navy or neither I am motivating anyone to join in this. The market is very down, guys, you already know. Aspirant really interested can see this video full, or you can go now only. So before moving further, Marinesthing is providing services to seafarers and the upcoming ones by providing blog post contents, YouTube videos, quiz on Instagram, marine news and facts on Facebook. Also, we have started podcast. So if you want to be a part of Marinesthing, support us. So yes, we have made a page section on the Marinesthing website where you can click on the support Marinesthing and you can start supporting us for just ₹50. Yes guys, support us for the valuable contents to give you every time. So yeah guys, let's get started. So have you completed your 10th, or do you want a job which give you money while traveling? Yes, you guys heard it right. You can have a career after 10th, that's also while traveling. And if you want to take responsibility of $1 million ship in your shoulder, you can join Merchant Navy. Like, you can join Merchant Navy in various sectors, but here in this video we are talking about how to join Merchant Navy as a GP or after 10th. So yeah, not going further on various sectors, let's talk about what is GP rating. So yes guys, GP rating is general purpose rating in Merchant Navy. The GP guys are helpful hands who have seamanship skills and know almost every job on board ship. The higher post they become is bosun, who is assistant head of deck department. So we're talking about eligibility for joining Merchant Navy after 10th. So first is candidate should be 10th pass from a recognized school. Second, candidate shall have more than 60% in English. This is the must, guys. Third one is the candidate's 10th percentage shall be more than 60%. Fourth, the candidate shall be fit for this job physically as well as mentally. You will be the responsible for cargo for the $1 million ship and of course for your life and for your team's life. So you must be physically well and also mentally. Candidates must have eye vision of 6/6, that is normal vision, on both of the eyes, medically fit by sight and hearing as prescribed by the Merchant Shipping Act 2000 as amended. So yes guys, moving further, a mentor. So this point is very very important before any, like, not only this career, but before joining or before considering anything, you should consult a mentor who is into it, like from many years, or like from years, or they have done what you are doing. So why you need a mentor is because experience is everything in Merchant Navy. A mentor can tell you pros and cons of Merchant Navy, which ultimately helps you to choose your path. Yeah, you are like a newborn baby in Merchant Navy world. You have no idea about what will be there out at sea, what you will have to face, how difficult is life on board ship. A good mentor will help you give a good idea about this field, so that you can rethink about your idea of career into this more clearly. So yes, for the convenience of the newbies and who are confusing what to do in their life, and they are interested on this but they don't know how to join, how to go further. So yeah, for them we have made we Marinesthing have made a consultancy program, which you can directly go to our website and click on the page section of it, and you can go for it. We will discuss it more in end of this video. So yes, moving further, sponsorship for job in Merchant Navy. Yeah, if you have job before joining on this course, what else you need? There are companies which give sponsorship for GPs. Contact companies, visit them, give your best. If you get it, great. If you didn't get, no problem, guys. Companies take GPs after completion of these courses too. So, frankly saying, in merchant navy, cheating case has been reported highly. Some cheats you by becoming agents, some by fake institute. As the course fee is very high in this, so cheating level is also high. So be aware, guys. Choose wisely. Take enough information before joining. And also, we have made a post on how to choose best merchant navy institute, where we have discussed many points. So it will help you in choosing maritime colleges. Yeah, you should check it out. We will give you the link in description. So yes, guys, in my opinion, if you want to take responsibility in small age, so yeah, you can join merchant navy as a GP. Yes, guys. And yes, talking about marine consultancy for wannabe sailors, you can go to our Marinesthing website, www.marinesthing.com. Here you can see the page section of marine consultancy for wannabe sailors, and also the support Marinesthing page section. You can click on the marine consultancy and you will be redirected to this page, where you can see this limited seat options. You can click on the limited seat, pay the course fee. It's very low, and if you apply this special offer, that is only for the first 20 members. You can use this code Marinesthing and you will get directly cut off 200 rupees. Go for it, guys. It's a very good program. Here we help you everything. We will answer you every question. There will be no confusion on you. Yeah, surely go for it. So yes, guys, that's it. That's for it. Thank you, and hit the subscribe button.